Hello, today we're in Oakham.
Yes, and Oakham is in Rutland, which is the smallest county in England, and we're going to be following the Heritage Trail.
Oakham, the county town of Rutland, is a classic English market town that was mentioned in the Domesday Book of 1086.
If you had a model railway when you were young, the signal box may seem familiar. Built in 1899 and Grade 2 listed, it was featured by Airfix and Hornby for their model boxes.
Geoffrey Hudson lived in this small cottage. Born in Oakham in 1619, he was just 18 inches high and toured as a page with King Charles I and his Queen Henrietta Maria.
The Buttercross dates from the 16th century and was used to sell dairy products. There were originally 4 such crosses in Oakham.
All Saints Church has an impressive 14th century spire and is Grade 1 listed. Through the churchyard you can see the old school building founded in 1584. The building has inscriptions around the walls in Latin, Greek and Hebrew.
Oakham Castle features what was once a great hall of the manor house that was built on this site in 1190 and is the earliest surviving example of an aisled stone hall in the country. On the walls of the Norman Great Hall is an impressive collection of over 230 horseshoes.
By tradition, any visiting peers of the realm, such as royalty and nobility, must donate a horseshoe to the lord of the manor. The first dates back to Edward IV in 1470, and the latest is a double horseshoe marking the visit of Prince Edward and Duchess Sophie when they visited Oakham in 2024 to view the statue of Queen Elizabeth II and her corgis.
A market is held every Wednesday and Saturday in and around the historic town square, with a great range of local produce, including fruit and vegetables and lots of other interesting items.
Oh, it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, what a charming little town, isn't it? It's well worth a visit if you're ever in the area. It's got plenty to see and do.
Well, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.